This is the Canon G3010 printer, and this printer problem is some of color are missing and this print quality is very bad. Okay, today I'll fix this problem and let's see which color are missing from this printer. Press 1 and press the start button and it's preparing the printing. Okay, you can see here is some of color missing, black and others color also, and let's solve this problem. Okay, press here and make this 10 here, 9, 10. Okay, after that press the color button, start button. Okay, and it's preparing for the ink flash. Okay, let's see how long it take, and after that what is the result. Okay, it's preparing for ink flashing. Okay, and it will take almost 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's ready. And let's check it and press the start, and it's printing the test page. Okay, this is okay, and you can see the after flashing the ink, and it's before and after. Okay, this is the black ink. And okay viewers, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.